just a short video to show you that I did spend a little bit of time in order to create a light to dark series, and I'm saving out the versions one after another in order to produce the 1500 pixel images for my website to show you what I want you to do. And you're not necessarily required to produce all of these with this texture. You might work with a secondary texture so you can get to stage 3 in the quest. So just continuing on, selecting the next in the series, option click to create a new layer that we can name 1A, 2B. Hit return and then shift option command E. Now because that layer is selected, we can just move up the stack, automatically turns it off. How wonderful is that? Option click 1A, 2C. And shift option command E. I'll do one more and then show you how to save for the web quickly with all these. Moving up, so 1A, 2C1, whoops, boom. Let's undo that. Very silly of me. Option command Z. 1A, 2C1, I forgot to hold down option, which moved us to that last document state. Now we're still in the middle of a dialog box. Shift option command D. Now, once I have this whole layer stack made, then I can save for the web in order by moving back to this state. And let's turn that guy on, which represents this image. Shift option command S, file, export, save for web. Make sure, absolutely important, you change this to 1500 and hit tab, because we don't want to be saving out a super high quality or super large size version of this. We want our 1500 pixels for the website, and there's no reason on this to have our quality this high. That was for the blurs because they absolutely needed it. For these, they're just black and white. 60 will be fine. Save us some file size and then save this. When you save it, this is going to be problematic. So we're at this Zion Textures 172. Now, what was this? 1A, you need to know the code there. So let's just pretend like it was 1A 2D. I think that's what it is. And you save it here amongst your other Zion 172s, the PSD. These all should be in a folder that we could save to. That would have been far better for file management. And then you go ahead and click save. I'm not going to do that because I don't know that I named that right. And no, it's 1A, 2A. So you need to know what the file name is so you can tie the textures to the PSD. That naming convention is just crucial. And I'll give you a peek at the folder when I'm done with it. Okay, not necessarily necessary for you to save out this ramp from dark to light. I just thought I would to give you an idea of what's possible.